Hello students, hope you are all fine and doing well in our holidays. So today we have to move the last part in the lesson, opposition to British rule in India. So it is next three rebellion will be pending actually. So today we have to discuss about those rebellion also. So the next rebellion means revolt, struggle, everything. Okay, those are all the similar meaning words. So the next rebellion is Surapura rebellion. Surapura rebellion. Keep in mind. Okay, Surapura rebellion. Yes, Surapura rebellion was started by that Palegara. I mean Surapura Palegara. I told you already Palegara means small provision leader. So that was started by the Surapura Palegara. Who was that Surapura Palegara? That is Venkatappa Nayaka. Who was that? Venkatappa Nayaka. Keep in mind. Venkatappa Nayakas. Yes. Venkatappa Nayaka against the British. Why he was started the rebellion against the British? Because British has interfered in the internal struggle so between he and his uncle actually. So between here, I think British here also they are using their main cunning policy, that is the divide and rule policy. Simply they are interfering between the Venkatappa Nayaka and the uncle. So between them, actually among them there will be the internal struggle will be takes place. Antarika ಒಳ ಜಗಳಗಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So in that they are interfered. So that for that reason Venkatappa Nayaka, okay, so that was not accepted by the Venkatappa Nayaka, that interference actually. So that is why the Venkatappa Nayaka revolt against the British. And also along with that, British appointed the Medes Taylor as a political agent and Peddanna Nayaka as a Diwan here. Where? In Surapura. Keep in mind, Medes Taylor as a political agent of the Surapura, I mean to look after the administration of Surapura, political agent. Medes Taylor was a political agent and Peddanna Nayaka as a Diwan. Peddanna Nayaka was a Diwan. Nayaka as a Diwan of Surapura. British appointed the Medes Taylor as a political agent, okay, and Peddanna Nayaka so as a Diwan. Taylor, so he was a political agent. He increased the revenue of this state, Surapura state actually. So that is also one of the reason for the Venkatappa Nayaka to start the rebellion against the British, because Surapura people not able to pay that increased tax, because the Zamindari system, Mahalwari system, Raithavari system tax only more. If they has increased, Medes Taylor increased the more tax on the Surapura people, so that was opposed by the Venkatappa Nayaka and started a rebellion. So in that rebellion, British captured the Venkatappa Nayaka and hanged by the British. Venkatappa Nayaka was hanged by the British. So this is about the Surapura rebellion. Keep in mind. So the next rebellion is Koppala rebellion. The next rebellion is Koppala rebellion. Rebellion means revolt, struggle. Keep that thing also in mind. Koppala rebellion. So this Koppala rebellion was started by the Veerappa. Was started by whom? Veerappa. Don't get confusion between the Venkatappa Nayaka to Veerappa. Koppala rebellion was started by the Veerappa. So who was Veerappa here? Veerappa was the Zamindar. He was a Zamindar. I think he was the first Zamindar in Karnataka who started the rebellion against the British, because all the Zamindaras in Karnataka are listening the words of the British, but Veerappa was a Zamindar. He was a Zamindar of Koppala, started a rebellion against the British and also the Nizam of Hyderabad, because I told you already the Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas of Maharashtra or Mumbai, they helped the British So he started a rebellion against the both in the sense against the British as well as the Nizam of Hyderabad. Okay, Veerappa with the support of many Zamindaras occupied the one fort actually, that is the Koppala fort. With the support of many Zamindaras, he was occupied the Koppala fort. So the British, when this Koppala fort was under the control of British by that time, because I told you already, after the 4th Anglo-Mysore War, the whole India was under the control of British. When Veerappa with the support of many Zamindaras, when he occupied the British, the angered British declared a war against the Veerappa, and in that war, in that struggle or in that revolt, the Veerappa was died. So after his death, the rebellion also ended. So this is about the Koppala rebellion. Let us recall again. Koppala rebellion was started by the Veerappa. Who was Veerappa? Veerappa was the Zamindar of Koppala. So, and he opposed both the British as well as the Nizam of Hyderabad. Veerappa captured the Koppala fort with the help of many Zamindaras. Angered British declared a war against the Veerappa. In that war, Veerappa was died, and he was through this his death actually Koppala rebellion was ended. So next, the last one, that is the Halagali Bedas. Very important. I think in about this one lesson, one poem is there in your Kannada textbook this year for the 10th. Okay, Halagali Bedas. So where it is Halagali? Halagali is a small village of Belagaum district. Where it is Halagali? It is one of the small village of Belagaum district or Belagavi district. Recently it has called as Belagavi district. Okay. So that Halagali area is only reserved. It is only reserved for whom? Bedhas. Bedhas in the sense hunters. Keep in mind, Bedhas in the sense hunters, and it is one smallest area actually, and one small village. So here the British banned the usage of weapons. So British give a direction for all the Bedhas or for all the hunters, don't to use any weapons. Okay, when the British banned the usage of weapons, not banned means no, don't use. It is an order passed by the British government. So when they has passed the order by the government, by that time everyone must and should follow. Okay, but Halagali Bedas not followed that. Why they are not able to follow that? Because I think you know about this hunting. Beda's main occupation or the main job is hunting. Okay, so how we are following the agriculture, in the same way Beda's main occupation is hunting. Okay, if the when they are not unable to do the hunting like that, they can't able to live. So then how can they follow the use of if the British told or asked them to not to use the weapons actually, how can they follow? Because hunting is a main occupation. And it is one of the hereditary right also, because by that hereditary they are following the hunting only. To protect that hereditary right hunting, so the Halagali Bedas revolt against the British to protect the hereditary right of their hunting, which is not hereditary right for the Bedas, that is the hunting only. So yes, the British not only asked the Halagali Bedas to not to use the weapons, almost all the Bedas, they British put on one law or put on one act, that is the usage of weapons. So that's why along with the Halagali Bedas, Bedas of Manturu, Bodani, very important, Bedas of Manturu, Bedas of Bodani, and Bedas of Alagundi. Alagundi, Bedas of Alagundi joined with the Halagali Bedas to revolt against the British. Who are all the Bedas joined? That is the Bedas of Manturu, Bedas of Bodani and Bedas of Alagundi. Pronounce again, Manturu, Bodani and Halagundi. Okay, were joined them when it has started a too much unexpected revolt. By that time, British, angered British, captured all the Bedas in the sense Halagali Bedas, who are all revolted against the British. The British captured the Halagali Bedas, Manturu Bedas, Bodani Bedas as well as the Alagundi Bedas, and they are not only they are captured, actually mercilessly they are hanged all the Bedas. Okay, so through this the Halagali Bedas revolt was ended. Okay, and how they are attacking and everything is there, very good in your Kannada poem actually. So I think it is a third poem. You have to go through that, how the Vedas and everything they are attacked against the British, how the revolt is taking place, but finally they didn't get any success. Wo Halagali Bedas. Okay, yes, through that revolt your lesson also was ended. So for the next lesson there will be the social and religious reformation movement. We have to move for the next lesson in the next period. So till that keep learning. So you want to learn that day work that day only. Again and again I am telling you, don't accumulate the lesson. Please cooperate for that. Thank you all.